Okay. Sweet. And your name?
Shy.
Shy. Thank you. Nice to meet you. I do a lot of YouTube videos, so.
I know. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice
I like your hair. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
That's how we already know. When it's here, my dog will probably do it for Louis Bell. That's just all you know, you don't know nothing else. I tried to show. I tried to show. Young flame here, Sicko mode. They just did it with all the ice on in the booth. At the get outside when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out boys, that's like you boys hopping our goose. This shit way too big when we pull up, give me the loot. Soft on me, I look at blues. I did my own down, the nothing knows. Before I was locked down, we made no move. Now it's going down, and I'm back up popping with the cool.
What was that?
Oh God, why would you do this to herself?
How you doing? Could you give me your name and what you have in here?
My name's Shyra, and I have 16 eights in here.
Okay.
I have 5K, and I believe this is a 12K just for my super tweeters.
Okay.
And then these are some big ass batteries.
They're huge.
By Lifetime or Lifeline, I have no idea how many wattages they are, but
Okay.
I have one hooked up in here.
All right. Wow. You have a lot of speakers and tweeters.
I know.
Who built all this?
My brother Reese, he built this. His name is Reese Jones on Facebook.
Okay.
And I plan on doing what is it? A B. It's called
B-pillar?
B-pillar wall.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
With 415s.
Okay. What's this?
This was the box we won at the raffle yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Sweet. Oh yeah, the custom ported. And is those Pioneer subs?
Those are not hooked up. That came with the truck.
Okay.
Someone else owned it. They were into music, but they're not hooked up at all.
Okay. Sweet. And your name?
Shy.
Shy. Thank you. Nice to meet you. I do a lot of YouTube videos, so.
I know. It's like, check them out.
Yes, ma'am. I like your hair.
Everyone has been using my hair as a pawn. Every time they see me walk past, they're like, get in the car, get in the car.
Yeah.
Because they want to blow my hair.
They do. They do. Yep. It's a hair trick thing.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's why I'm staying in my car.
Yes, ma'am. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Shy's system. She did a really good job showcasing it at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. Sorry about the copyright issues, but I didn't really get a subwoofer flex demo. It was all speakers, tweeters, mids, and highs. So you got to hear how it sounded from all spectrums of the system. I was hoping to be able to hear the subwoofer, but sorry, there is no subwoofer flex in this video. Very unique style system. Don't really get a lot of videos where I don't have subflex, so sorry about that if you came here. I really like the amplifier staging rack behind this speaker box, boom box console in the center of her vehicle, as well as the doors sounded really crisp, clear, and there wasn't really a lot of distortion. You may have heard it a little bit different because of the way the phone picks up the quality, may be a little bit off, so sorry about that. So be sure to give her a like if you haven't already, as well as subscribe for daily car audio videos coming your way every day. A little bit different style system today. I'm sure some of y'all came here to want to see the subwoofer flex, but there wasn't anything. Not to worry, I bring daily videos with a lot of subflex action every day. So enjoy the rest of the video with more demo footage. You have a good day?
Everyone has been using my hair as a pawn. Every time they see me walk past, they're like, get in the car, get in the car. Because they want to blow my hair.
They do. They do. Yep. It's a hair trick thing.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's why I'm staying in my car.
Yes, ma'am. You have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.